Hi everyone! People normally would ask me the question, when is the best time to actually study your stocks? Should you study your stocks in the morning or should you study it in the afternoon? My answer to that is this. I don't. I study my stocks in the evening. I study my stocks when the market is closed already. Why is that so? Because when you study your stocks when the market is open, you're subjected to a lot of hype. You're subjected to a lot of speculation. You're subjected to a lot of market forces that may cause you to deter from your trading plan. And your goal is this: when you start investing, your goal is to remove as much emotions in your trade as possible, because when you follow your emotions, that's when you get subjected to a lot of greed and a lot of fear, that sometimes you may have a lot of buying signals already, but because you're subjected to the fear in the markets, you have to understand this: sometimes news won't go the way the stock is going. There could be bad news, but the stock is going up as well. That's why I watch my stocks in the evening. That's why I watch my stocks when the market is closed, because I see it for what it truly is. I see the fundamentals based on what the numbers are telling me, based on what the financial ratios are telling me, and based on what the impact there is in the company itself for a particular news item. And I also look at my stocks in the evening because the charts are already relatively solid. If it's close to the support levels, I start buying no matter what the news is. And you can't do that when there's a lot of, I don't know, there's a lot of talk, there's a lot of volatility involved, and there's a lot of people moving and going up and down based on what they hear and see. So for you to be able to win in the markets, you have to pick a specific time in the day when the market is closed. That's when you'll watch your stocks. And if you say you're gonna watch your stocks once a week, you're gonna study your stocks twice a week, thrice a week, it doesn't matter. If you say you're gonna do it, you have to stick to that plan. Do not deviate from it. If you will also monitor it and say, I will look at it on the very first 30 minutes of trading day, do it. Because you have to understand, all of you have different timelines and time frames. Some of you have jobs where you can't actually watch your stocks during trading hours, so you must find a way to analyze your stocks in between, that you get to still trade the markets with confidence. So number one, try to find a specific time where you get to analyze your stocks even when the market is closed, so that emotions are gone. Number two, be consistent. Find a specific time, find a specific area when you start doing it, it becomes a discipline, it becomes a habit. Number three, as you start doing it and as you start progressing and going about your stocks, the next best thing for you to do is be able to have the conviction that when there's a buy signal from what you are looking at, regardless of what the news would tell you, regardless if it's bad news, if the fundamentals and the technicals are telling you to buy, that's when you buy. And that's when money is made in the market. Markets, money is made when your analysis will go with your conviction, and even though everyone else will tell you to do otherwise, but if you know and you know and you know and you know and you know based on the fundamentals and or the technicals that it's worth buying, then you go for it. Alright, I'm gonna give you more and more basic videos about the markets, because my goal, my heart is just to see you invest the markets with ease and confidence. And I really believe it's time for every Filipino to invest in the stock market. And I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart.